Namaste. My name is Reena Nagara, the clinical dietitian from the Yoga Institute. These days, many of us are fasting, and with that comes a very common question that what do I eat when I break my fast? Now, let's be honest, when we have to break our fast, the first temptation is to eat all the things which are there on the table, right? But if we do that, we often end up feeling bloated, heavy, and indigestion. So today, let's talk about how can you break your fast in a gentle way which will keep your digestion happy and your energy stable. Now, before moving into the diet part, let's first understand the transition phase. Now, imagine fasting as your stomach taking a nap. Now, when someone is napping, and when you have to wake them up, you don't suddenly ask them to run a marathon, right? You would first gently wake them up, ask them to walk or jog, and then probably build up to the marathon. So similarly, when fasting happens, our stomach takes a little bit of break and a rest. That's when the actual repair and regeneration also happens. But after a fast, when we have to start eating, that's when the stomach has to start its work, right? And that has to be done in a very gentle manner. So we have to start with something very gentle and slowly build up to the actual meal. Now, how do we wake up the digestion gently? Number one, start with warm liquids. So anything which is light and healing herbal tea will do. Or you can also go for something nourishing like thin dal water or vegetable soup made from bottle gourd or pumpkin. This way it will gently stimulate your digestive system, prepare those digestive juices, and these warm liquids will gently prepare your digestive system, stimulate those digestive juices, and get ready for the next meal. Now, number two, move to gentle fruits. Fruits like papaya, banana, and pomegranate are very easy for the gut to digest and will also provide you the quick energy for your entire system to get started. Now, number three, now comes the actual meal that you can get started with. Start with something very light and sattvic like moong dal khichdi with a little bit of ghee or some vegetable soup, or maybe curd rice, or also some steamed vegetables with very mild spices. These are certain options that you can consider which are light, sattvic, and will give you the energy without overwhelming your digestion. Now that we have spoken about what to eat, now let's talk about what should we absolutely avoid. Number one, fried food or very spicy curries. Now these foods are very heavy to digest and it will overwhelm your digestive systems. Anything which is very spicy or very sour, you want to stay away from this as much as possible because it triggers your acidity right away. Now, next is cold drinks or ice creams. Now, when your stomach is empty, these foods are going to shock your digestive systems and are not good for you at all. Number four, having too many sweets at one time. Just wait a little, let your digestive system come back into its full functioning, and then you can enjoy your sweets in small portions. Now that we have seen what to eat and what to avoid, now let's learn about some simple yogic tips which will be helpful for you. Number one, chew well and eat slowly. Now here what happens when you chew well, the saliva mixes with the food and it gets pre-digested into the mouth, and that way when it goes into the stomach doesn't have to struggle much. Number two, stop before you're completely full. So eat till you're 80% full and keep that 20% empty for your digestive juices to get released and having that space for it to get churned well. Imagine if you're grinding something into the mixie grinder, right? And if you fill it up till the very top, do you think it is going to get grinded well? No, right? It requires that 20% of the space so that it can churn well. So similarly, our digestive gut also works in a similar way. It requires some space so that the digestive juices can release well and it has a space to churn itself. Number three, eat peacefully, eat with gratitude, maybe close your eyes. Just bring all your focus towards your plate, set an intention that this particular food is going to be nourishing for your body, and avoid rushing to the first meal. When you eat a food very mindfully, it always feels very light and nourishing. So remember, break your fast the way you would gently wake up someone, right? With warm care and patience. Start with warm liquids, then your gentle fruits, and then the light and sattvic meals. And later on, once your digestion is back, then you can switch to your heavier festive foods in moderate portion. This way you will feel light, energetic, and then truly enjoy your festivals and fasting with health. Namaste.